Good morning. What brings you in today?
I've been having a headache for a few days.
Where exactly is the pain?
It's mostly on the front of my head.
Is the pain sharp or dull?
It's more like a dull ache.
Are you feeling nauseous?
Yes, a little.
Have you had any vision problems?
No, my vision is fine.
Do you have a fever?
No, no fever.
Are you sensitive to light or sound?
Yes, light makes it worse.
How would you rate the pain on a scale of 1 to 10?
About a 6.
Have you taken anything for the pain?
I took some ibuprofen, but it didn't help.
Do you have any allergies?
No, none that I know of.
Any history of migraines in your family?
Yes, my mother had them.
Are you under any stress lately?
Yes, I've been very stressed at work.
I'll need to examine you.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me check your blood pressure.
Is it high?
It's normal for now. I'll check your neck for stiffness.
My neck feels fine.
Let me check your reflexes.
Sure.
Everything seems normal.
So, what do you think it is?
It could be tension headaches.
What causes that?
Stress, poor posture, or lack of sleep. Have you been sleeping well?
Not really, I've been staying up late.
I recommend getting more rest.
I'll try to sleep more.
You may also need to reduce stress.
I'll see what I can do.
I'll prescribe a mild pain reliever for you.
Will that help with the pain?
It should relieve it in a few hours. Drink plenty of water and avoid caffeine.
Okay, I'll cut back on coffee.
If the pain continues, we may do further tests.
What kind of tests?
We may do an MRI or CT scan. Do you have any other symptoms?
No, just the headache.
Are you taking any medications currently?
Just some over-the-counter painkillers.
Let me check your medical records.
Sure, go ahead.
I see no prior history of headaches.
That's true, this is the first time.
If it's a new type of headache, we'll monitor it closely.
All right, I understand.
Avoid bright lights and loud noises.
I'll make sure to rest in a quiet room.
Any issues with your vision or speech?
No, everything's fine.
Keep track of your symptoms.
I will.
Do you experience dizziness or nausea?
Just a little nausea.
Let's rule out any serious conditions first.
What do you mean by serious conditions?
Conditions like a brain tumor or stroke.
Should I be worried?
It's unlikely, but we will monitor it closely.
I feel better knowing that.
I'll refer you to a neurologist if necessary.
Okay, thank you.
I recommend some physical therapy for relaxation.
Is that for the headache?
It may help relieve tension in your neck and shoulders. You can also try gentle exercises.
I'll try those.
Do you have any questions about the treatment?
No, I think I understand.
If the pain worsens, come back for a checkup.
I will.
We'll schedule a follow-up in 2 weeks.
Sounds good.
Keep a headache diary to track patterns.
That's a good idea.
Any history of high blood pressure or diabetes?
No, I'm healthy otherwise.
That's good to hear.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
I will.
Let me know if anything changes.
I'll call if needed.
Get well soon.
Thanks, I hope so.